Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you home remedy called hot drink. You can see this hot drink and this odour. I can see this odour. Let me show you this odour. This is how it be. They use it for pepper soup. They use it for woman that put to bed because it clean stomach. Anything you put, if you use it and cook pepper soup, it's nice. If you use it and put inside ogogoro, this hot drink, if you put it inside for woman drink, it's good. It will clean all the thing inside her stomach. So it's very good in the stomach. And again, if you have fat tummy, big tummy, and you want your tummy to come down, you drink, use it to gogoro. It's not for only women, men too that have fat big tummy, then can even use it inside the gogoro, put it small inside hot drink and drink. The thing will burn the fat and all the big tummy that is there like that, the tummy will flat, it will go down gradually. Cannot just go down at once, but small to go down. So I advise you guys to buy it. So this another one, the other one I pour it inside the plate because I wash this one because of dogs, because I'm going to put it inside the hot drink that I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So that's why I put this one here. I didn't lose this one because I'm not using all. So you can see, then this is your cup, then you add small, you can see, then you pick, this is odour, then you put it inside your hot drink. You put it, you leave it like 5 minutes. You will see the thing will just change color. You change color. Can see that even now. To change color, to change to brown color. So even soak it and leave it overnight. Can soak it this morning and leave it till night before you go to bed. Then you drink it small because the thing dey shark. So if you are taking it, just take it small. Don't just drink it at once. If you drink it at once, the thing will shark you. So if you want to take, just take small. Just see, can see now. It's done dey change the hot. Don dey change. Na pure white e be. Na pure white. Now as I'm adding it now, so e don dey change it to brown. So if I leave it till evening now, you see how the color will be to change to brown color, from white to brown. So I'll keep it till evening before I'll drink. But before I keep it, I'll take small and see how the taste will be, because the taste of odour don't enter inside the hot drink. So the taste will normally change. So it will not be exactly the taste of this hot again, because as I'm adding the odour, the taste don't change. So I will test it small. I'll test it small. It's not more because I don't want to shock. I don't want the thing to shock my head. So I'll just take it small. If you are not the person that can drink, so I advise you, if you want to take it, just take it small. Don't take it when you want to go to bed to sleep. Just take it. Don't take it the daytime, so that you will certainly misbehave. So if you want to take it, if you want your tummy to come down, to burn your fat, If you want to take it in the night. When you want to sleep, then you take little small shot. After you soak it inside the hot, you can use this shot and take it. Just one shot. You take it, then you sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you see how your tummy will be, and you see how your body will be. You dey free and you dey very light, because this odour dey work like magic. That's why they'll tell those married women, those people that put to bed, they'll tell them to use it. Either use it, cook pepper soup, or boil it with another thing and drink it, or use hot drink, add some inside the hot drink and drink, because it will help you to remove anything that remain in your stomach. It will help you to remove it, then you will be free. So it's very, very good. So I advise you guys to take. Let me test it small. Now, wow. The taste of this thing is changed. And it's nice. The flavor of this odour, if you are taking it, you like it because of the flavor. You feel it in your mouth. It's very nice. So I advise you guys to test it in your home. Just buy odour. It's not cost. Like this one now is 50 naira. If you can buy 50 naira, it's okay for you. Then you buy small hot drink. You have small bottle. They have small bottle of this. Then you can pour it in your glass and put the odour and keep it. Soak it. You can soak it like 2 to 3 hours before you use your shot to take. Just one shot is okay for you. Don't take too much so that the thing will go and shock you. One shot is okay for you. So that is all for odour and ogogoro hot drink. Try it and see. If you have fat tummy, the thing will deal with the fat tummy. I tell you. So try it and see. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I know you guys have been trying for me. So continue try for me. God will bless you and your family. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel and share it to a loved one. People that need it, then plenty, because I know people get body like me and they need it to reduce their fat from body. So share it to them and subscribe. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.